Hi guys, I'm Susan, and in this video we're going to tackle number 37 from test 2 in your red book. So go ahead and pause the video to read the problem and come back. So the first thing you'll notice is this is a wordy word problem. So to me that says go ahead and skip it the first time around because it's going to take you 20 seconds just to read it and understand what's going on. So I would say this is a second sweep problem. Skip it the first time, get all the low-hanging fruit, and then come back for this guy. Now let's work through our word problem strategy. The first thing we'll do is read through the whole problem to figure out what it wants us to solve. And in this case it says, which company is a better deal and by how much? So there's really two parts to this question. Which rental company should he go with and how many more miles will he get for his money? So that's what we're trying to find out. Now let's read it sentence by sentence so we can figure out the information it's giving us. And I've drawn that in a little chart here. So we know overall he's got $255 to spend. And he's got two companies he's considering. So Seahorse is $50 per day plus a quarter per mile. Ocean Blue is $60 per day, but it's only 20 cents per mile. So you can probably tell these are little miniature equations. So what we're going to do is set each of these equal to 255 to figure out which one is going to give us more miles. So let's do that. The first thing, this is a mistake I made when I was doing this problem, $50 per day, and we have 2 days. So you need to make sure to multiply your per day rate times 2 plus 0.25x, this is the number of miles, which is what we're looking for, equals 255. So 50 times 2 is of course 100. So 100, we will just subtract from both sides. And that gives us 0.25x equals 155. Use your calculator for this next step. I did that already, so I get to cheat. You're going to divide both sides by 0.25, which gives us 620 miles from Seahorse. I'm going to come over here for Ocean Blue. So this equation is going to work the same way. $60 a day times 2 days. Plus 0.20x equals 255. So this is 120 that we're going to subtract from both sides. And that gives us 0.20x equals 135. Then we'll divide both sides by 0.2. So then x equals 675. So here's what we found out. For Ocean Blue, he can get 675 miles in 2 days. For Seahorse, he can get 620 miles for 2 days. So that means that Ocean Blue is a better deal, and we're just going to do a little subtraction to figure out by how much. It's 55 miles. So Ocean Blue by 55 miles, that's option B, and that's the correct answer to this problem.